What's up guys, Josh here with YugaTech, and Huawei officially launched its latest addition to the Y series, the Y7a. Some of its notable features include a huge display, a high silicon Kirin 710A chip, a 48 megapixel main camera, and a 5000 mAh battery with 22.5 watts supercharge. But before we dive any deeper, let's see what's inside the box. Lifting the lid, we're already greeted with the phone itself. We then get a smaller box containing the SIM ejector tool. Then for the last two items, we get the USB Type-C cable and the charging brick. The one we have here is a review unit, but Huawei confirmed that there will be a jelly case and earphones included in the retail unit itself. Nice. Checking on the actual phone, the Y7a is one pretty and elegant looking device. Our unit comes in blush gold, but it also comes in midnight black and crush green. Honestly, without knowing the colorway's name, we kind of already thought it looks like a blush with its faint pink tinge in the middle. However, it's prone to fingerprint smudges due to its glossy coat, so you might have to wipe it down every now and then. The body is made up of plastic, but it feels premium and solid. It's got a slim profile with curved edges, which makes it comfortable to grip, and we also like that it comes with quite a heft to it. Checking out the rear, we get the vertically stacked 48 megapixel AI quad camera setup along with the Huawei branding. Up front, we get the rather large dot notch in the middle of the screen that houses the rear camera, the call speaker, and sensors on top of it. We have the volume keys and the power or lock button acting as the fingerprint sensor on the right side. The buttons feel sturdy and have a tactile feel to it as well. On the left side, we have a triple card slot that's capable of a dual nano SIM and a dedicated micro SD card slot. Moving up top, we get a noise-canceling microphone, and down below there's the USB Type-C port, the primary microphone, the 3.5mm audio port, and the single speaker grill. Onto the display, the Y7a sports a massive 6.67-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. The screen looks great with punchy colors, and it's rather huge, so watching content on this device is going to be quite immersive. On the other hand, the audio quality is average, but that's typical in most smartphones nowadays. For internals, the Y7a is powered by a high silicon Kirin 710A chip, coupled with 4GB of RAM, a Mali G51 MP4 GPU, and 128GB of storage. So far, everything is working nice and smoothly. Conveniently, face recognition works even when we're wearing a mask, which is a big plus right now since we're in a pandemic, although it's not going to be as fast as the fingerprint scanner. Apart from that, it also packs a massive 5000 mAh battery with 22.5 watts Huawei supercharge. We've yet to test out the device's performance and gaming capabilities in our full review. In the software department, the Y7a is running EMUI 10.1 based on Android 10. And as you have heard countless times, Huawei doesn't use Google mobile services, but there's the Huawei app gallery and the pedal search widget to download all the apps that you need. As for the cameras, we get a quad rear camera setup consisting of a 48 megapixel main, an 8 megapixel 120 degrees ultrawide, a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and another 2 megapixels for macro. Meanwhile, for selfies, it comes with an 8 megapixel shooter. We'll get more into this in our full review, but for now, here are some sample shots. The Huawei Y7a comes at an SRP of 8,999 pesos. It's a well-rounded smartphone that comes with a pretty and classy design, good display, and capable internals to handle everyday tasks. We'll find out more about this device in our full review, so be sure to watch out. How about you guys? What do you think of the Huawei Y7a? And what do you want to know about it? Let us know in the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Josh, stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one.